Alright, let's be real. You've done everything you were told to do. You binged the gurus, you downloaded their secret templates, you read all the blogs, and you copied the exact strategies that are supposed to be a golden ticket to success. You've ripped off the editing style, used the same title formats, and jumped on every single trend. So, why isn't it working? Where are the views? Where are the subs? Why does making videos feel like you're just screaming into a pillow? The hard truth is, you've been set up to fail. You've been sold a total lie. In this video, I'm going to break down why the advice to just copy what works is the biggest myth in the creator world, and how it's actively killing your channel. It's why you feel stuck, and it's why your videos just aren't hitting. Section 1. The problem. The seductive lie of the proven formula. Look, the appeal of a proven formula is massive. I get it. It feels safe, like a shortcut. When there are over 500 hours of video being uploaded every single minute, the idea that there's a guaranteed path through all that noise is almost impossible to resist. The so-called experts know this, and they package these formulas into shiny, expensive courses, promising you the keys to the kingdom. And here's the really frustrating part. That advice isn't totally wrong, it's just outdated. Back in the early days of YouTube, you could pretty much copy a popular format and find an audience because there just wasn't that much competition. But that era is long gone. Today's internet isn't an open field. It's a dense, overcrowded jungle. Following that old map just leads you straight into the most crowded, most competitive parts of that jungle, where the treasure has already been picked clean. When everyone has the same map, what happens? Everyone ends up in the exact same spot, digging for the same gold. The only person getting rich is the one selling the shovels and the maps. That's the fatal flaw of the copycat strategy. When thousands of creators are all using the same Mr. Beast style thumbnails, they stop being special. When every podcast sounds like the last one you heard, and every day in the life video hits the same predictable beats, viewers get exhausted. They start to see the formula instead of the person. Your video doesn't stand out, it just becomes more background noise. Thinking you can win by copying someone else's strategy is like trying to see clearly while wearing their prescription glasses. That prescription was made for their eyes, their vision, and their unique problems. It was never meant for you, and it's only going to give you a blurry, headache-inducing view of the road ahead. Section 2. The agitation. How you're actively sabotaging yourself. This isn't just about not getting views. Blindly copying what everyone else is doing is actively hurting your channel in 3 huge ways. First, the algorithm gets bored. The YouTube algorithm today is way more sophisticated. Its main goal is keeping viewers happy, and a huge part of that is showing them something new. It's constantly looking for videos that bring a fresh perspective or a unique take to the table. When you upload a video that's just a rehash of a dozen others, you're basically telling the algorithm, hey, there's nothing new to see here. It learns that your content is redundant, so it has no reason to show it to more people. It's going to prioritize the fresh stuff that keeps people watching, not the stuff that gives them deja vu. Second, and this is way more important, your audience gets bored. Viewers are smart. They can smell a copycat from a mile away. They clicked on your video, hoping for your voice and your perspective. When they just get a watered down knockoff version of another creator they probably already watch, it feels cheap. It breaks their trust. This is why so many channels that just chase trends never build a real, loyal community. They might get a quick burst of views from a trend, but nobody sticks around because there's no you there. There's no unique personality to connect with. They didn't show up for a formula, they showed up for you. And third, this is the most damaging part, you get bored. This is what I call the authenticity drain. When your whole creative process is just imitation, you slowly strangle the passion that made you want to be a creator in the first place. It stops being fun, it stops being self-expression, and it starts to feel like a soul-crushing, fraudulent job. I know, because I've been there. Early in my journey, I saw another creator in my space just explode with this super fast-paced, jump cut heavy style. I copied everything. The title, the thumbnail, the edit. And guess what? The video completely bombed. It felt hollow because it wasn't me. I felt like a fraud, and I'm sure the handful of people who saw it could tell. Success on this platform isn't about being a perfect impersonator, it's about being an authentic original. Your weird quirks, your personality, your stories, that's the glue that makes people stick around. Section 3. the solution, how to shift from copying to creating. So, what's the move? Lock yourself in a dark room and try to invent the next viral video format from scratch? No, of course not. The solution isn't to ignore everything that's working, it's to finally learn the critical difference between studying what works and blindly copying it. You need to shift from duplication to deconstruction. Instead of looking at a hit video and asking, what did they do? You have to ask, why did that work? Was it the clever way they built suspense? Was it the raw vulnerability that created an emotional bond? Was it how they made a super complex topic feel simple? You need to break down the underlying principles, not the surface level tactics. A title format is a tactic. Understanding what actually sparks human curiosity, that's a principle. Focus on the principles. Once you start seeing the principles, the next step is to find your unique spin. What's your unfair advantage? What's the one thing that only you can bring to the table that's hard for anyone else to copy? Maybe you spent 15 years as a professional chef. Maybe you have a wicked, dry sense of humor. Maybe you live in a weird location, have a crazy personal story to tell, or a visual style that's all your own. That is your secret sauce. The key to breakthrough content is combining a proven principle with your unique differentiator. For example, the challenge video is a proven principle. It works because it has stakes and a clear outcome. But instead of doing the last to leave the circle challenge for the millionth time, you apply your unfair advantage. If you're a skilled carpenter, your video becomes, I built a livable treehouse in 48 hours using only hand tools. The principle is the same, but the execution is totally unique to you. Now, you're not copying, you're innovating. Before you hit record, ask yourself one simple question. What new perspective or information does this video actually add? If you're just rewording what someone else already said, you are adding zero value. The goal is to give the viewer something new. Find a hole in their argument, a question they didn't answer, or a personal story you can share to make the idea more real. It's not about being better in every single way, it's about being different in one key way. That's how you stop competing and start creating a category of your own. So, if you're done with the copy and paste advice, if you're tired of feeling like a cheap knockoff, and you're ready to build a channel that is uniquely, unapologetically yours, then subscribe and join this community. We're all about choosing to stand out instead of trying to fit in. For years, you've been told to just follow the playbook. But the truth is, success isn't in someone else's playbook. It's found where proven, timeless principles crash into your own, one-of-a-kind perspective. The path to growth isn't about finding the same map everyone else is using. It's about having the guts to draw your own. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs your original voice. Stop copying. Start creating.